the basic problem why we are facing problem in Goa, because these all tourists, now we receive tourists, I think our population is around 15 lakhs and we receive 6 times number of tourists, which is too high. And to control local population, it is very easy because we know their habits. If you are driving a different vehicle other than your own vehicle in your own state, the condition of the vehicle, the braking and all other aspects, biggest problem is touch screen in the in the cars and mobile phones, because they want to navigate from Google. So if you miss one exit and go on the wrong exit, so they have to come, they take reverse without precaution, or they take turn on the road.
3 points. One is that the rent-a-cab uh, people need to inform clearly to the people renting cars about the prevailing rules and regulations and get them to understand it. Secondly, we need to have more taxis on apps and clearly affordable and transparent pricing. And thirdly, better public transport. So that will ease congestion also in a lot of areas. And it's everybody's impatient. That is another fourth point which I'd like to make. People are impatient, they come to enjoy themselves. At the same time, then they say that the police are harassing them, but the police are trying to do their job. Tomorrow, if something happens, they are held accountable, which is unfortunate because it's the responsibility of the rent-a-car guys as well as the person who is driving. So these 4 points I would like to make.
I think awareness campaign should be launched. Basically, when there is heavy footfalls of tourists and all, we should distribute pamphlets or flyers. Also, billboards should be fixed, wherein tourists should be made aware about the laws, especially with regard to rental of vehicles. Tourists who visit Goa, they are not aware about the topography of Goa, local laws. So I think, as Mr. Madgaonkar also mentioned, rental vehicles who give the vehicles on rent, I think they play a very important role when they're giving the vehicles on rent. They should brief the tourists who are taking the vehicles on rent about the local laws, and also to ensure that they don't uh, uh, ensure that they follow laws.